Hey everyone, how you doing? It's Edit Again Media coming to you. I wanted to show you something that I did, how I advertise myself, and I start off by my little sign. Look at that. My little wrap. Can you see it? Can you see it? So I got this on my car, and hopefully other people is looking at it. I also have a QR code up there, so if they walk past and they see it, they can also scan it. Is that a great idea or what? Anyway, I wanted to come to you today because I am going to do this video. 2 weeks ago, I came across the lodge that we stayed at, the cabin in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. And I put the name in, and I am so excited at what I've seen. I will share that with you. You can look up Scenic Solitude under the Microsoft Bing. Guess who come up? When you scroll down, videos of Scenic Solitude. Wow. Video number 2. That's me, Edit Again Media. Yay! Beautiful. And hopefully, I don't want to spill too much. But yes, I'm super excited. So stay tuned. Watch the video. Tell me what you think. Clicked on videos, and when you scroll down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look who's number 7. Yeah, that's me, right there. Number 7. Ooh, we're listed. Let's promote each other. Let's support each other. Let's encourage each other. Let's motivate each other. Let's do this. The world is ours and it's here for the taking. Thank you so much. And again, check out my little rat. Thank you. Take care. Bye. So last week, I decided to check again. And to my surprise, my video on Google has reached number 8.